Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing two beads from Moress's Secret Garden collection. They are so beautiful and I'm so excited to feature them in a winter themed design, which I'll share later in the video. A huge thank you to Moress for gifting me these two charms to review and style with. They are so gorgeous. Also a huge thank you to this community, as I wouldn't have these opportunities without each and every one of you. So if you're ready to see my winter design and a review of these two gorgeous beads, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea. I'm enjoying some maple matcha from DAVIDsTEA. This tea is so delicious in the autumn season. It is just so good. If you're a matcha fan, if you like maple, it's such a treat. I added some oat milk to this and it's delicious. So anyway, without further ado, virtual cheers and let's get started with today's video. I am going to be sharing two spacer chimes from Moress's Secret Garden collection. The first one is called the Camellia Flower Opal Spacer. I am a huge fan of opal, it's so pretty. And the second one is Camellia Flower Swiss Blue Topaz Spacer. And I love the blue topaz, it is gorgeous. Now both of these are very similar in design, but I also love that they're just a different gemstone. So they can work really well on a bracelet theme, but you can still have a little bit of symmetry with them and they're so pretty. I love the petal details. So as you can see, there's different levels, like layers of petals going through. And this style actually really reminds me of the Alice in Wonderland spacers. They're like a nice size. They're not like super small. They're a really nice chunky size that really frames beads beautifully. So if you have a gemstone or a Murano bead, these would look so beautiful in between. They're stunning, and the shine and the sparkle of the gemstones are so pretty. That blue, as you're seeing here, it's such a gorgeous blue. It makes me think of my dog Alice too. Like, she's such a sweetheart. Her birthday is in winter, so it's more of like a bluey stone too. So I'm kind of using that to make me think of her, as well as Alice in Wonderland. And then the opal, I've always just loved opal. Now it's time for a design with me, and I decided to use my Moress Heritage Bangle to create a winter themed design. So I used some of my mini stones from Moress, and then I was kind of torn between Bunny Bella or my HOROBRIEF for December. And then ultimately I tried it out just with the HOROBRIEF in the center, like as my centerpiece charm. And it's pretty, but I didn't love it. And I really wanted to add Bunny Bella because she has the opal on her tummy. And I thought it would match so beautifully with the opal spacer. So I ended up doing like this slightly asymmetrical design. So it's not like perfectly symmetrical. And I've been really into that. And I have basically two centerpieces in the center of the bracelet. And I love how this design turned out. Definitely has a winter theme, and like Bunny Bella does have this gorgeous flower detail on her back. I'll show that in a little bit later. But I think it's like a little reminder that spring is, in the future, but she's enjoying the winter season here on the bangle too. And I love how it's turned out. I think it's really pretty. And I love the different stones. Like, there's a lot of gemstones on here, and I love that Moress does gemstones. It is wonderful that there are charm companies incorporating gemstones again, and they're so beautiful from Moress, and I love the detail. Here you can see Bunny Bella's enamel flower detailing on her back. She is so cute, and there's a good look at her opal on her tummy. She's so sweet. You can also see beside her I have the HOROBRIEFs for December. That also represents my dog Alice in the winter time. It is so pretty. It really catches the light. It's a beautiful size stone, both on the front and back. And then you'll spot my mini stone over on the sides for a little touch of symmetry. And then I'm popping my bangle on. Again, this was the Heritage Bangle. It's really beautiful. I love the side detail. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. I'd love to know what you think of the Moress Secret Garden collection. Make sure to check it out. There's some more gorgeous beads in that release. I'll leave a link down below on where you can find that collection. A huge thank you again to Moress for gifting me these charms. And if you guys are interested in making a purchase from Moress, feel free to use my code EMILY in all capital letters to save 15% off your order. Anyway, you guys, I'm wishing you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.